not to me, it's not at me. Me say, I too feel me for me case and say, you know, so me realize I'm a too pearl me take. It never matter to me. I was in such a good mood that I go in a shop and I took out on the most expensive wine.
Which wine that?
No, we got this.
Expensive.
Hey, me, don't say that, man. Because me put $50 more on the price, make it the most expensive wine.
That's only in your shop.
So what? You know, ask me why we take up the most expensive wine. Ask me, man. Ask me, man.
John, why you take out your most expensive wine?
You know, people business. Me know say that. We take up the wine and we go over and we ask Joyce to come over for a drink. You never believe.
Yeah.
She looked at me and she answered me in one of the most sweetest, angelic voices you have ever heard. She says, John, it goes over. I will soon be dead.
The dream come true. You finally get time to come over here.
Marcel, you can't have stupidity. You think I had Jaisi come on my yard last night. You think I should play over to that? I only came to that public holiday. Jaisi! Oh my Jaisi! You are my Jaisi. I said flour, I said sugar, and I said rice. What in my bill is $300? What you give back? You owe me $250. Oh my Jaisi, I'll forget it if you will only kiss me.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Sure, pal.
But then my heart
show. They should put on the next one.
It's a lovely show. Thank you very much. Thank you. And it's just boldness on the top. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. And I'll be back for more.
The character, everybody was beautiful. It's a brilliant, brilliant show, and they're number 100% brilliant.
It was great. It was wonderful.